ETH, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to my last analysis, when the price was within here, we discussed about how we can look for trade as a buy. All right, that means we have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And for those traders, if they haven't taken, I mean, they are keeping the trade, at least move their stop loss to break even, because we had this drop because of the divergence. And at this point, we can look for the short-term buy from here as a flag. Anyway, we move to higher time frame and we want to see what's the next. We move to weekly chart, and based on weekly chart, now the question is whether this is similar to any of this, and we can expect for the next drop with the breakout of the previous low following by divergence before we look for the reversal. As we discuss in our analysis, this is the best option. It can give us a really good confirmation for the reversal, but at this point, we don't have to wait for that possibility, but we should know that about this possibility. That means if anyone wants to look for buy from here, as long as the price haven't break this top, we should know that this one can turn to flat for the next drop. That's why they should know how to manage a trade. Because of how about if this one turned to a really deep correction in relative to what we have here. Anyway, again, we don't have to wait for the price to drop before we look for buy. That means if we get any opportunity for buy at this within this correction, we will take it. And based on weekly chart, we don't have anything to discuss. Any trade setup. And if you move to daily chart, based on daily chart, if you refer to our analysis, we discuss about this one. And at this point, we're looking at this correction. Any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. And if we see the continuation and we see the breakout of this correction, this is the short-term target based on daily chart we are looking for. 2.4 following by 2.8. And the breakout of this zone is really important for us, because in that case, we can expect or confirm the continuation and the breakout of the all-time high. All right. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, again, we are not going to give it take profit based on lower time frame within this correction. We have to see the breakout of the previous stop. But if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they should know that based on lower time frame, we will expect to see the divergence. That means if the price continues as a corrective move, the possibility for the next drop is really high. That's why if anyone get a trade, they should know how to manage it. All right. And if we move to lower time frame forward chart, and if we put this stop relative to what we had here, we see we had the divergence. That's why we get this one. Maybe we get one move up, drop, we see the continuation. That's why any opportunity for buy, we will take it and we consider as a short term, unless we see the changes. When I say we consider as a short term, that's mean we should know how to manage it. If it's not moving, we should know that we shouldn't keep that trade. But at this point, based on forward chart, I don't see any trade set up yet. And if we move to 1 hour chart, if this one turned to a flag, any opportunity for buy, we will take it, and we want to see the breakout of the previous stop. All right. We need to see if we want to look for buy, we can look as if we get the flag, the only option is to put our entry above the top. And what we want, price sharply tag, break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we should take out the trade. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.